Okay, this will be an interesting one. Sorry about the camera shake, folks, if you notice it. But my wrist isn't feeling all that strong holding the camera, unfortunately, or the phone. It is a large phone and it's got a drop case on it, so it's going to be a bit wider than usual. Going to make that fairly low contrast. Going to make it fairly light. This will be a really nice one, hopefully. Just got to get the sizing correct, as well as this. Okay. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is cut out of a Chinese real estate paper. So I'm wondering where we're going to put this edge. I'm going to put it just about there. Just made a little notch in the paper. It's a bit hard to see, but I'm hoping it'll just help me. Yeah, we'll line it up to be about an A5. So it's going to be about an A5. I don't think we have to distort the aspect ratio we can make the X and the Y equal with a fixed ratio, which will keep things a lot simpler. So we just had to move it over a bit, the original, and cut some of it off. This is real estate, typical real estate, Chinese real estate thingamajig. It looks a bit too flat. I think maybe the contrast should probably go up. See if we can make it look better than that. It looks really darkish, a bit flat. I am thinking it's the contrast that needs to be improved. Sometimes turning the contrast down doesn't always make it look all that nice. So now we're just going to keep it in the centre. Maybe this, we're going to leave that. Let's see if changing the contrast has improved it. Sometimes it looks nice with a low contrast, but not all the time, as you know. Horses for courses, as they say. Different images have different, look different, but that looks a bit better now. It looks a bit similar, but it looks overall better. So I'm just going to put the first one away. Still looks a bit la-di-da. Wondering what else we can do to improve on this, or we're just going to leave it as is. This is probably as good as it gets. It's not always easy getting it right. Just got to rely on a bit of intuition at times to get you through. So let's see how this looks. So we're going to make this the centre of the page. The water is going to be the centre. It's a really nice looking waterside house. You've got to be fucking rich to afford this kind of property. It's not my kind of... Well, I can't afford it. I live in a housing department unit. So basically I'm one of the people that can't afford much. But I do have dreams of becoming rich in the future, but not just being rich for the sake of feathering my own nest. I want to help mankind. I want to help give money to science and to humanity, because I really want to help make a difference in this world while I'm still alive. And I don't want to be greedy and keep the money for myself or my close friends and associates, you know, the cliquey little groups that these rich people have that hang out with each other, rich with rich. And they don't care about the poor or the less fortunate. They just shove us under the carpet and tell us to fucking, you know, to keep quiet. You know, just accept you know good. No, that's not right. That's like what bullies do at school. Except this is the adult world, and adults should grow up out of bullying, not fucking continue it. But anyway, enough about that. I think that's another story. But that looks quite nice. I think now we can call this demo quits.